Hi, and welcome to another studio vlog. So I tried to vlog almost every day this week just to kind of give you all a glimpse of what I do in a week regarding my shop and everything around that. So right now it's Monday and I'm just writing down all the receipts for the orders I'm going to be packaging today. So the way I package all my orders is they get this little receipt notepad thing, which I print out as you saw in the clips earlier, and it has their name, it has what they ordered, just so I know I don't put anything where it shouldn't be, and that I know who ordered what, and it just makes packaging easier. And I've been looking into making these into like a memo pad for all of you guys, so I'm still researching. I'll keep you all updated, but I think it'll make a really cute memo pad so you guys can use it for your notes, make my life easier too. I don't have to print and cut all of them. I also like to add little notes on the back of them. If like there's an option when you order from my shop, you can like send a message to the sender or whatever option it is. But yeah, like I like replying to those on the back of the memo pad. Not memo pad. I like replying to those on the back of the quote unquote receipt. So I hope you guys enjoy this studio vlog. It's mostly voiceover because it didn't really feel like filming my face and talking to the camera all week. I was just more of in a productive mindset and zone. So I'll periodically pop in and talk to you guys over voiceover. welcome to Tuesday. So, Tuesday, I decided that it'll be a chill day. I had already packed all my orders on Monday, so I didn't have that to worry about. I also didn't get any new orders, so I was like, you know what, I'll take a chill pill. So, Tuesday, I decided pajama day, I'll sit in bed, draw, watch some shows, just chill out. So recently, I have been getting really into Mystic Messenger again. I was really into it when it first came out, I think around 2016, and I did like Jumin's route and I did Jaehee's route, and then I was like, you know what, I'm done. I am done with this. And then recently during quarantine, I picked it back up because I have nothing to do, and I was like, you know what, I want to get all the routes. Like, I've only done 2, so I decided that I'll pick it up with Zen's route. So that's what you'll see me periodically pick up my phone because the chat opened up, and I am done Zen's route now. I got the good ending. Is it the good ending? There's good ending and okay ending, I think. Yeah, so I got the good one, but I'm trying to get like all of the endings. There's 7 endings, so gotta get them all, you know? Hello, and welcome to Thursday. Yes, I know I skipped a day, and that's because Wednesday I was working on painting our house like everyone in quarantine is, and I was really busy with that. Didn't really work on my shop on Wednesday, so here we are skipping to Thursday. Thursday was, again, I was very busy, so it's very short. All I did this day was watch some Bailey J because I love her, and I just wrote down all the addresses for all the orders I had and prepared all the envelopes. I didn't have enough time to go in and make the stickers that I didn't have and like package them, so I just kind of did what I could do, which was just writing it all out and all their addresses and stuff. Moving on to Friday. Friday was the day that I had incurred even more orders. Like, thank you so much to everyone who orders from me. But Friday was the official packaging day, and then I asked my sister if she wanted to help me pack orders, and she was like, sure, why not? So here's what you see on the screen. It's she's helping me pack all the orders, and on the other side I'm making them.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
And here is me fooling around with the camera as I film a plan with me. This plan with me is the December plan with me, and I'm planning my sister's journal. So you'll see in the next video, I'll explain it all in detail. But just a little teaser here, you will be getting 2 plan with me per month from September all the way till August. And that brings us to Sunday. Saturday, I took a day off, just hung out with my family. We went out to the countryside just to kind of get out of the house since we've been in the house for so long. And then Sunday, I spent the entire day on a sewing project. This project was really fun and challenging. I recently bought this oversized pajama pant with the intention of turning it into a PJ set, so like a shorts and a top situation. Previously cut down the shorts to the length I wanted it, and with the leftover fabric, I decided to make a shirt. I had never made a shirt before in my life. It was just a figure it out as I go kind of situation. So the top turned out really well. There are things that I want to change. There will always be things I want to change, but in its entirety, my first sewn top that I can wear turned out really, really nice. Here's the final try on. I hope you guys enjoyed this studio vlog, and make sure if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you love it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can catch more studio vlogs, plan with me's, and other content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.